Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another advent calendar unboxing for you today. I have here the Sephora collection Wishing You Advent Calendar. It is 24 days. They actually have another version that is 12 days and that one retails for $25. This one is 24 days and it retails for $45, but it has a value of $105 there. So this is actually the first Sephora advent calendar I've ever gotten. I think historically, I really just haven't really been impressed with what they have offered, but I took a quick glance at what they have inside and I would use a majority of the products, and the ones that I wouldn't, I am able to gift. So I decided to go ahead and grab this to review for you guys. So this is it. It is one of the kind of disposable calendars, not really one where you can refill, unfortunately. It has a little sleeve that pulls out and then it has the same thing. I don't know why they do that because this is just redundant. All right, this opens up like so. And here it has the inside where it says wishing you. I guess you can leave it open like this if you want. So let's just get started. Here are the days. So these again are the kind of punch out days. Let's start with day one. Here. Day one is a beauty sponge, which I actually like. These sponges are great because I actually do use these to apply makeup, and I'm not the best about, washing them. So I'd prefer, if possible, to just have a disposable one. This kind of looks like the imprint of the plastic, but this is really nice and soft. This is very similar quality to the Beauty Blender, which is a very expensive makeup sponge that I like. So if you're a fan of Beauty Blender, you would like this one. So that's day one. Day two is down here. Day two is a mini of the All Day Hydrator, Hydrate and Glow. I'm a big fan of the Sephora collection skincare. I think they do a really good job of the skincare. It's very affordable. Some of my favorite face palettes are Sephora brand. I really like their makeup brushes. So I do like the Sephora collection. If you haven't tried their skincare or their makeup, like their brand, this would be a great advent calendar to pick up. But I have used this before and I like it. So it's nice to have a travel size of the All Day Hydrator for day two. Okay, day three is in here. And okay, so I saw this in the preview. I call it washi tape. If you guys are into scrapbooking or crafting, you would be familiar with this. This is called the Wishing You adhesive tape. It has their signature little design for the holidays. I would just use this like regular Scotch tape. So if I have to tape a note to the fridge, you can also use these to apply, like if you're doing a very dramatic eye look, you can apply your eyeliner wing using this kind of adhesive tape. Yeah, a roll of washi tape. I wish it were a little thicker. It's actually not that thick, but I'll use it. Day four is over here. I feel like this whole thing is unnecessary. Okay, day four is in here. And okay, it's a single eyeshadow. This is their Sephora brand eyeshadow. It's a shimmer shade in shade number 257, No Place Like Home. This actually is a really nice color. This would be a really nice all over lid color. Can you guys see? Very shiny. I would use this. I'm a lot more into single eyeshadows rather than huge eyeshadow palettes. So I would kind of carry this around with me. This would make a great brow bone highlighter or a center of the lid shade, or you could even use this as a highlighter. So this would be a really nice multi-purpose shade. Day five is over here. Day five is a mascara, big by definition, volumizing and lash multiplying effect in the shade Ultra Black. I've never used a Sephora brand mascara. Let's look at the wand and see. Okay, nice wand. Nice and fluffy, so we'll see. I'm not familiar with this, so I'll try it out. Okay, day six is over here, and oh, it's a rolled up mask. Okay, I'm a huge fan of the eye mask and face masks from Sephora collection, and I even like their face wipes. This is the caffeine eye mask, so this is great for perking up your eyes. I think these retail for $3 or $4. I don't know if they've had a price increase. I think they used to be $3. So these are always a great buy. Very nice and compact single-use eye mask. These are great for traveling. I always bring one or two with me when I travel. So caffeine eye mask. Day seven is down here. Okay, day seven. Oops, I ripped it. Okay, I'm looking at the description I guess it's a magnet, or I guess, is this a mirror? Yeah, it has a reflection, so it could be a mirror. It looks like a pin. Okay, yeah, this is called a pocket mirror. Not a huge fan. I would just probably immediately toss this, but I don't like this. At first I was gonna say it's not shiny, but it's because it's got a plastic. So I'm removing the little film. Okay, it is pretty reflective. I guess it's a good mirror in a pinch. I don't know where I would keep this. These might be nice to keep in a travel makeup bag, just to always have a pocket mirror in case you forget if you're traveling. Day 8. Okay, day 8 is the Sephora Collection Cotton Flower Creamy Body Wash. I have never tried their body care items. I didn't even know that they had a body wash. They probably have a body lotion too. Okay, decent size, one-time use. I would probably just throw this in the shower and try it right away. These are probably nice if you have travel coming up also. You can bring these, but with these, these tend to get lost for me, so it's a great way to try it out. I probably would just throw it in my shower to try it next time. Okay, day 9 is up here. And okay, I've tried this before. Day 9 is the cream lip stain, and these have a very nice staying power. This is a very bright red, or kind of like a brick red actually. These are good. I don't like drying lip stains, but this is actually pretty comfortable on, like it's not overly drying. Day 10 is down here. Okay. Day 10, again, is a mask. This is the face mask versus the eye mask. I love their face masks. I've tried the watermelon before. I have actually a pack of the watermelon face wipes. And yeah, I definitely would use this. I think these retail for $5 or $6 or $7, so pretty decent value. Okay, day 11 is up here. I guess the design is like a tropical floral design. I don't know, is that an animal? I don't know. I don't know what the design is. This is the brightening eye cream. It's in a 5 ml size, so a decent trial size amount. I'm gonna put some on my eyes right now. I'm always trying eye creams. I've tried this before. I don't know that I found this super brightening, but it is very hydrating. Okay, day 12 is here. We have a lip pencil to go with our cream lip stain. This is the lip liner to go in the shade 3 Classic Red. If I don't wear a lot of red lips, I found that I can use more red lipsticks and lip liners if I just am very light and then kind of blend it in, then they're more wearable every day for me. So day 13 is up here. Okay, day 13 is a nail file, really cute nail file. It's a nice tiny shape. I might just keep this in my car in case I break a nail. I like that it's wrapped up so you can keep it maybe in a travel bag also. Doesn't mess anything else up. So day 14 is over here. And we have another mask, it looks like. Ooh, okay, this is a nose strip. I love these things. Charcoal nose strip. I don't think I've used the Sephora brand nose strip. I've used the Biore nose strip for years, but I'm excited to see how this one works. So if I like this, then maybe I'll start getting the Sephora brand. Day 15 is in here. Okay, we have another shadow, and this is a single Sephora eyeshadow in matte, and it's a nice, like a taupe mauve shade in number 332 Flawless. I like that they have really neutral colors, so you can really test it out and use it. Yeah, very nice neutral. If you're really fair skinned, this would be a great crease shade. For me, this would be kind of like an all over lid brightening shade maybe. Okay, day 16 is down here. Oh, okay, I love these. Every time I travel, I bring one of these. I pick up a pack of the Sephora wipes in the travel size. This has 10 wipes, so it's great for a quick trip. This is the hemp cleansing wipes. I haven't tried this. I don't know what it smells like. Hopefully it just smells fresh and not like the leaves. But yeah, these are great. I'm a huge fan of the Sephora cleansing wipes. Okay, day 17 is here. And we have, ooh, Sephora nail polish. Nice clear nail polish. You know, I've really cut back on my nail polish spending, so I probably will just go ahead and gift this to, so we have a clear Sephora nail polish for day 17. I actually really like their nail polish, but I don't really use regular nail polish anymore. I use more SNS dip powder and, you know, gel polish. So you definitely can regift this if you want to. Day 18 is down here. Okay. Oh, another mask. Ooh, lip mask. I really like these. This is the cherry lip mask. It's that kind of, I don't know, cellulose, clear, like gel type material. And you just kind of stick this on. It says leave on for 5 minutes and then remove. I mean, I usually just put these on or a face mask and then watch a TV show. I don't think I've tried this scent. Day 19 is here. And another single use. This is the Sephora Creamy Body Wash in the Mon Noir. I don't know what that is. Hold on, I gotta look it up. Okay, I just looked it up, and this scent is described as Tahitian gardenia flower extract brings the memory of unforgettable summers rushing back. This kind of has the aesthetic of Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. So I feel like it's that kind of flavoring, but with gardenia also. Day 20 is down here. Ooh, what is this? Nice and soft. Oh, scrunchy. That's so cute. I like these. Okay, I will use this for sure. I like the beige color, nice and neutral. This matches a lot of my workout stuff. So, okay, day 21 is another Sephora collection skincare. This is the Sephora Clean Skin Gel, Cleanse and Tone Face, Eye, and Neck. So it's a cleansing gel, AM and PM, wet skin and massage over face, eyes, and neck, and rinse. I don't know if I've tried this. We'll try it out. Day 22 is right here. Day 22 is the Sephora Eye Pencil to Go in black. And I've used this before. This is a very nice black eyeliner. I use these for tight lining on my bottom eyeliner. It's a nice little compact size. Day 23, we are nearing the end. Okay, day 23 is another nail polish in a very classic cherry red. The shade is called Cherry Popsicle. And if you aren't familiar with the nail polish, I didn't open up the clear one, but this is just for decoration. And then the brush is this right here. So you can see it's like nice little stubby nail polish brush. I'm probably gonna gift these nail polishes. Okay, and then we are done here. Day 24 is right here. I wish all advent calendars, like for the final day, I feel like it should be a big finale day, but oh well. This is day 24, and this is it right here. Oh, okay. These are nice. This is the gua sha, like facial massage tool. I love these. Okay. This is a mini gua sha tool. And if you're not familiar with that, it's this tool made of some kind of stone material. You use this to, after you wash your face, and you usually put a facial oil or some kind of a moisturizer to make your skin a little slick. Then you use this to kind of massage your face. It's good for your lymphatic system. It's good for depuffing. I love these. I had a set of these and my son broke them because he dropped it on the on my bathroom tile floor. So it cracked, but I'm glad that I have another one. These are really nice. Yeah, so this is a great way to get into it if you are not familiar with that. It's just a mini one, but they have different, you know, little edges. Like this would go along your chin, I think, or along your jawline. There's a whole method to it. You can look up YouTube videos, but this is great to have. I think this is a really nice finale to the advent calendar. Okay, that is the Sephora 24-day wishing you advent calendar. These are all the contents. I think this is a pretty decent value, especially if you are into more skincare and just kind of basics. If you're wanting to try out the Sephora collection brand, it's a great way to try out the different products. You can always gift the things that you don't want. And so yeah, the value really depends on whether you're going to use the products. Even though I personally will probably gift most of the nail stuff, I think. Stuff like this doesn't really, it's just kind of whatever for me. But most of the other things I will use. So for me, it's a good value. If not, it's a great gift, especially if you can get it at 20% off during the sales. But I hope you enjoyed this wishing you advent calendar unboxing. It's my first Sephora advent calendar, and I think if they keep it up, I might get this for next year too. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.